Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys hit the like button and also subscribe. And also, just so you guys know, I do have a brand new option trading course coming soon, hopefully within the next week or two. If you're interested, leave a link in the comments down below. And I will actually comment you back with a special coupon code for pre-launch discount. So it's going to be done through Teachable. So it's about 4 hours worth of option content. It's pretty much from A to Z of understanding options, things like that. So, but as always, let's jump right into this video and let's do the midweek weekly watch list for April 28th, 2021. Before I do anything, I want to give one of my really good best friends out there a happy birthday. You know who you are. So hope today's a great and amazing day. You deserve it. We're going on probably 30 plus years of being friends. You've helped me through so much, and always listen to my stock market rants unconditionally. So thank you. But let's jump into it. S&P Emini futures. Just want to kind of sit there. Nice bullish. I said in the weekend watch list to keep an eye out for a break to the downside. Let's clean up this chart. A couple things. I said we were in a reverse waterfall. 1, 2, 3, 4. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We're still in that reverse waterfall. Okay. I kind of said, hey, I think we might get up to this 4,200. Maybe now it looks like probably a 42 and a quarter potentially, because FANG, Apple, Facebook, Google, they're all blowing numbers out of the water. They're all up. And as I do this, it's Apple and Facebook came out. They are up too. Now we'll see what happens tomorrow morning, but we will go over those stocks in a minute. So with the S&P futures, we're still in a bullish trend to the upside, reverse waterfall. If we break below, that's our potential signal to look for a potential short. So that's kind of what's going on with the S&P futures. Let's real quick take a look at SPY. Same exact thing going on with SPY. But if you look at SPY yesterday, okay, we actually broke the reverse waterfall right here yesterday, and then today kind of broke higher, reversed back down. Interesting, right? But remember, this is SPY. When I look at these, are regular trading hours. The ESs are extended trading hours. Remember, SPY follows the ESs. So I will track the ESs and wait for a break below on the ESs if anything happens. So that's it so far. So like I said last weekend, I said bullish this week. And guess what? We're going higher. And until we break the reverse waterfall, watch out to the, I think, continued upside. /CL, crude oil. Right? I kind of said this, head and shoulders. Okay. This, I'm going to take this off. No longer, if anything, this is bullish. We're actually now making higher highs, higher lows, I believe. And I think this is what the trend is to the upside. Let's duplicate this trend line. Okay, and I think this is where we're going, at least back up to the 66, 67 level. We're in a nice little trend, working our way back up. Won't be surprised if we make new highs. The market is bullish. So that's what I'm watching for, higher on crude oil. Bitcoin /BTC, really can't get it out of its own way. We kind of sold off on Sunday to Monday. Nice rally. We'll see. Do we just get back up here to this 58 level and reverse and go back down? Who knows? But we will see. Bitcoin just won't break either. Nothing will, right? One more thing. Bitcoin micro futures, okay, on Bitcoin, 1/10 of one Bitcoin. So essentially every $100 will be $5 is coming May 3rd. So keep an eye out for that. I think it's going to be a really cool product. I might actually start trading Bitcoin via that for these moves, because essentially every $1,000 move on Bitcoin with these micros is going to be about $50. Very manageable. So remember, it's 1/10 of one Bitcoin. So essentially, Bitcoin to 5,500 to 55,000, it's like trading $5,500 Bitcoin. So really cool. I think that product's going to go crazy. Now, let's take a look at FANG. GOOGL. Google. Okay, Google came out with earnings, blew numbers out. Kind of an ugly candle. Open, gap higher, went higher, coming back down. With that being said, maybe a potential divergence here. We will see overall what happens. Again, just keep it simple. Watch a reverse waterfall. Right now we're 1-2. If price breaks below, maybe at least come back to this 2320 level to fill the gap. So that's Google. All these I like longer term, but I think you need to wait for pullbacks. Be patient. I do believe the pullback will come. Now, Apple. Okay. Apple reported after earnings. They're right now, as I'm doing this, they're up to about 137. Okay, so about here, they have a conference call, so we'll see what happens in the morning. But I think maybe a retest back up to this 145 and then maybe a rollover. I think Apple is still overvalued from the overall run, but we'll see. So that's Apple. Next, we have Facebook. Okay, Facebook, again, after hours came out today. Closed at 307. They're up to 327. Not bad, right? Okay, they're blowing or they're up what, $15 out? Actually $20 after hours. So they're all the way up here. Okay, 327. This is kind of where they are. Nice bull flag. I would just grab our fib extensions, go from this low to this high, bring it back down. These are our levels to keep an eye on. 355, 360, 386. I would also maybe, let's draw from here to here. A little education, right? And let's use these numbers instead. I would rather like this, 331, 352, 376. I'm going to leave this up for a while. And I actually think that's what's going on with these are the levels. If you're long and you're looking for targets, peel some off. If we overshoot, pull back, maybe start to get long on pullbacks. But I like that. And then Netflix, NFLX. Netflix is kind of dead in the water. That's a one guide where they actually missed on their earnings. But nice bigger picture bull flag. Maybe if we break back above this 515 level, maybe get a run back up to the 525 or so in the next couple of days, but we will see. So FANG's doing really good, except for Netflix. They're taking the good guys down. But Apple, Google, Facebook, I like longer term. I like on any type of pullbacks. Got to be patient. But again, those are longer term trades. Oh, and one final stock I want to leave you guys with is AT&T. In my Patreon page, there's a link down below. It's only $8 a month. I actually got long AT&T calls, the 30 calls I believe it was, for 2 years out, their leap options. And I actually think AT&T's can be able to work its way all the way back up to this 40 over the next couple of years. So I really, really like AT&T. I think they're really turning the ship around. But make sure you check out my Patreon page. Again, $8 a month for stock and options portfolio. And also leave a comment down below if you want a coupon code for my new option course that should be releasing within the next week or two. 4 hours, over 30 plus videos and all that. So, but until next time, be safe out there, and we'll talk to you soon.